Alright, tip for Tuesday here, we got our pressure washer with surface cleaner. So we're going to replace the wand. The wand's just going to give you a little strand here. We're not going to use the wand today. Don't need the wand. Get out of here. Still got to use the hose. We're going to hook up the hose to the pressure washer. Then we're going to hook up the surfacer to the hose so you get a long stretch of surfacing. Okay, so your one end that you would normally put in your pressure washer, you still do that. Then the end that you would normally do in your gun, you're going to hook up to your surfacer today. Now what you're going to do is start up, make sure you have your hose connected to this so you have your water. But once you get this connected, you're just going to do a swooping motion. You're going to be cleaning your sidewalk or your driveway, and it's going to do a much better job than just the wand.